How to make baking soda. I'm in a place where buying baking soda is proving to be quite difficult. So I was looking for substitutions, and it seems there really aren't any. See link. 1. So this got me thinking. Baking soda is made, or otherwise harvested from nature, in some way. How can I do this? I realize the answer is likely to be so involved or expensive that I won't want to undertake the project. But for the determined baker, how would it be done? I eventually found some. Note. The question is about making, not sourcing or substituting, baking soda.
If you really want to do some chemistry, the next questions are, what can you get? Do you know how to handle these safely? If you have a solution of carbonic acid, H2 Colorado 3, you can slowly mix in sodium hydroxide, NaOH, in a solution, not a powder. Until the pH is around 10.3, then you'll have a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Or you could do the same thing by bubbling CO2 through a solution of NaOH. You'll then need to dry or concentrate it without heating, or the sodium hydrogen carbonate will break down, just like it would when baking. Or you could start with sodium carbonate and add hydrochloric acid, but that would give you equal parts of baking soda and table salt in water, not sure how easy they would be to separate. Keep in mind that sodium hydroxide will dissolve any flesh that it touches, and hydrochloric acid will do the same, plus it evaporates. Sodium bicarbonate, the chemical name of baking soda, has always been manufactured using industrial processes, see link 1. At an industrial scale, I can't see how it could be practical to make at home. You'd need specialized equipment and you might well find that the materials you need aren't any easier to acquire. Baking soda is known by different names, in addition to sodium bicarbonate according to Wikipedia, see link 2. It's also known as bread soda, cooking soda, and bicarbonate of soda. So it's possible it's available in your area on under one of these other names. If you live in an area where a language other than English is used, then you might find other alternative names in that language's version of the Wikipedia page. If you still can't find any, you'll either have to pay to have it shipped to you or find a substitute recipe that uses some other leavening agent.